Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one Faucet website. You can claim from that website and instantly in your Faucet Pay account. Okay, if you don't have a Faucet Pay account, link in description. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. I have Faucet Pay account. If you don't have a Faucet Pay account, link in description. Click create a Faucet Pay account. Okay, today Faucet is Bitcoin. This is the website. This website pay you 5 Satoshi every 2 minutes and 50 time claim per day. I claim for time. This website pay me instantly, and this is the all persons to come in this website. This is the new website launched maybe just 1 week, but they pay us a very high payment, and this is very high payment website. Okay, this website pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay. Okay, I'll claim your Faucet, put your wallet address and click I'm not robot. Okay, this is very easy, not too hard, very easy. Every 2 minutes you can claim. Just verify and click get reward. They pay you your 5 Satoshi instantly. Like you see, they pay me my 5 Satoshi. Okay, and I come here, just reload the Faucet Pay. You can see my Bitcoin is a little bit go up, and I show you the story. Okay, my internet is very slow right now. About that, sorry. I pause the video, then I show you the withdrawal. Okay, now you can see I earned 5 Satoshi from that website. Okay, and you can earn much more. Every 2 minutes, come here, reload the page. Every 2 minutes you can claim your 5 Satoshi, and you can earn much more if you want with your referral link. Okay, thanks for watching guys. This website link in description. Click the link and come here, register yourself like this and claim your Faucet. Bye bye.